Yo, what's up everybody? It's Zach with Heyday Development. Just want to let you know that this video is for entertainment purposes only. I know a thing or two about DIY work, but for professional advice, go check out the other 5,000 carpet installation tutorial videos that do exist on YouTube. With that being said, I am glad you made it here, so prepare to be entertained and maybe learn a little something. Okay, our first order of business, we're gonna put some painter's tape on these steps so I know roughly where we're at. 27 inches long is what the width of the runner is. These steps are about 34. Quick math right there, that's a difference of 7 inches. Take that in half, so 3.5 from both edges, so I know what the edge of our runner is gonna be. All right, now we got double-sided tape we gotta put down. So for this one, we're gonna be placing 2 strips, one on the step and one on the back. But this is just to help the carpet kind of stay in place. Dude, I hate tape. Tape is the worst. Just any kind of tape. If you're tape, I don't like you. Now I'm gonna apply this to the back side. There you go, watch this. Got tape on the top and the bottom of each step. Get the carpet secure, and then we're gonna throw this extra stuff over the top and then kind of bring it down little by little. But first we gotta get this set in place. I really like rugs. Give it the old eyeball check. Get it in there nicely. Let it stick to it. I just want to get it secure so it doesn't get ripped off of the tape. Let's flip this up. Let's flip it up. Before you install carpet, you're also going to want to make sure it is indeed long enough. Pull it all the way up. Okay, next step. Literally, the next step is the next step. I don't make this shit up, guys. It's just how it is. So what I'm trying to do is keep the carpet as tight as possible to the stairs as I roll it out, then making sure to press down to achieve a tight bond with that carpet tape. Not sure if this is the best method of doing this, but you know what, it worked out, so take that. Take your time doing it, no reason to rush. Come on, what is this, a race? It's looking good, not bad, not bad. Yeah, why not? Okay kids, we're gonna staple now. I got a new stapler. Just for this specific situation. It's heavy duty. It'll get through the carpet. They're 1-inch or half-inch staples rather, so they'll get down there. They're pretty strong. They're pretty firm. So that's all you can really ask for. Let's do it. Okay, now that we're at the bottom of the carpet, we are going to cut off a little bit of extra. We're going to tuck it under and we're going to staple it in. Pretty simple. Something like that. What do you guys think? You think that looks dumb? Because I don't really care what you think. I do care what you think. I care a little bit. And where I'm from, we call that good enough. Okay, this is my son speaking. What? Let's finish this up. Okay, that's about as even as Steven gets. Y'all probably can't see anything, but that's okay. We're gonna go like this. All right. Too far, Johnson. That's not even either. Even Stevens. Too far, Johnson. Even Stevens. What's going on here? Watch this. That's a fail and a half, dude. Try it again. Okay. That's much better. Okay. That's dandy. It's just perfect. You may be wondering why the last step isn't covered. That's just the way it is. It's a bit of a piecemeal organization. And then we're gonna put this right on top. Watch this. We gotta fold it in. Watch this. And then we grab this, and you go to town with it, really. Okay. So watch this. Bury it in this. Is that beautiful or what? There you have it, kids. It's the greatest carpet runner ever made. I think I just invented a new genre, dude. Call of Duty, home improvement. I hope you brought your stapler. It's gonna be in stock this Thursday. It's gonna be released. Get your pre-order sales online at callofdutyhomeimprovement.com//. Like, so you have to spell out /. So, hey, we did it. We're finished. Yippee.